Bangladesh is slipping into a dangerous phase of political and social unrest, and India is officially sounding the alarm. A parliamentary standing committee on external affairs, chaired by Shashi Tharoor, has warned that crisis in Bangladesh is India's biggest strategic concern since the 1971 Liberation War. The warning came just hours before fresh violence erupted after the death of student leader Sharif Osman Hadi in Dhaka. Protest quickly escalated, targeting media houses, public property, and even India's diplomatic mission in Chattogram, a rare and a serious escalation. A tragic incident has emerged that demands our attention. Reports indicate a Hindu man was subjected to a brutal lynching, tied to a tree and burnt alive. Why does this matter to India? First, political instability in Bangladesh threatens our neighbor, critical to India's border security, counter-terror cooperation, and regional connectivity. A weakened Dhaka could allow extremist and anti-India groups more space to operate. Second, radicalism and intolerance are on the rise, with attacks on minorities and journalists threatening Bangladesh's democratic fabric and risking spillover across borders. Third, economic stress. Slowing growth, job pressures, and social discontent make unrest more likely, affecting India's trade, supply chains, and northeastern states. Fourth, the generational bond forged in 1971 is weakening. Younger Bangladeshis feel less connected to India, reducing the soft power that once strengthened ties. Finally, and most critically, India risks losing influence, not through conflict but through irrelevance. External powers are increasingly stepping in. According to the Economic Times, China's involvement in Bangladesh has grown sharply, focusing on infrastructure, port development, energy projects, and strategic access to the Bay of Bengal. Pakistan, the report adds, is pursuing a more geopolitical agenda, aiming to counter India's influence and exploit instability to advance anti-India interest. Recent trilateral interactions among Bangladesh, China, and Pakistan have raised strategic concerns. While not a formal anti-India alliance, they show how domestic unrest can make Dhaka's foreign policy more flexible and vulnerable to external influence. For India, Bangladesh crisis is no longer internal. It is a direct test of India's ability to safeguard security, maintain diplomatic influence, and protect regional stability. Inaction could allow China and Pakistan to fill the vacuum, reshaping the strategic balance in South Asia to India's disadvantage.